Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D parametric shell surface using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical computations and creating arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting 2D and 3D visualizations. And now we'll define constant for shape control. So here A controls the overall scale of the shell surface and B adds a vertical twist extension as the surface rotates. So now we'll create parameter grids U and V. So here U is the angle around the circular cross section like the shell's rim, and V that controls the spiral motion, which is the cell's growth. And in the next line we'll create a mesh grid. So np.meshGrid creates a grid for evaluating parametric equation over 2D dimensions. And now we'll define parametric equations. So here these equations generate a spiraling and shrinking shell surface where x and y determine the radial coordinates, the shrink over v, and z adds a vertical twist via b into u and height via sine v. So the structure gets smaller as v increases, and mimicking how a shell tightens inward. And now we'll set up 3D plotting. So here figure size 6 by 6 sets the size of the figure, and Projection 3D enables 3D plotting, and 111 means one subplot. And now we'll plot the shell surface. ये लोग थर्सडे को स्पेशल डिनर बनाते हैं।